good annotation can turn a chart into a story. The Flourish Assistant makes it quick to add them to a chart. On this line chart, I'd like to add an annotation for rail privatisation in 1995. So I'll ask the assistant to add one. Now we can see why the data changed. Let's add another annotation. This time, I'll ask the assistant to highlight the period affected by COVID. Notice that the assistant works out the dates for me. Let's look at another chart. I'd like to highlight the Eurozone crisis. I'll ask the assistant to shade those years. Notice that the assistant works out the dates for me. Next, I'd like to shade the area between the lines of Germany and Italy. I can ask the assistant to do that. That makes the difference between the two countries much easier to see. Finally, I'd like to add a black line at 0 on the y-axis, so that it's really obvious when the lines go into the negative. That looks much better. Next time you make a line chart, try asking the Flourish Assistant to add an annotation.